My name is Vlad. I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon, and today I'd like to go over current market conditions and trade of the week, see which sectors are leading, which sectors are lagging, where there are opportunities in the market, like healthcare stocks, maybe it's EV, maybe it's AI stocks. NVIDIA is announcing earnings tomorrow, so let's talk about that. Disclosures are very important. I'm going to go through specific trade ideas, so please look at the disclosures. If you're new to trading stock and options, I encourage you to visit optionscreen.com so you understand the risk associated with trading stock and options. All right, let's take a look at the market. Looking at our AI models, this is stock forecast toolbox driven by neural networks, learns on financial data, volume, closing price, similar to generative AI, just trains on different sets of data, but the idea is very similar. Looking at the 6 months prediction, model sees 440 as the support. Overhead resistance is 472. I agree with the model. I think the 52-week high is set. The year-to-date high around 460 is set. I don't think we're going to go any higher. And at 440, market is oversold. Right? We broke through that level. We were as low as 430. So I think this bull trend is broken. Right? This data is updated only once a month once we have a complete data set. Looking at our research in terms of seasonality, I think very highly correlated market moves so far. I think recent price we're pulling back into August. That's based on seasonality, and the recent price was 85% correlation following this trend, reaching the bottom of September. Usually we do rally back up the first half of the September and another leg down in October. So I think very similar moves to expect shortly. I think overhead resistance market try to retest 444, which is your short-term overhead resistance. At least as of right now, it's failing. The market is turning negative, and support is at 430. I think it's just a matter of time for the market to reach 430 level, retest 430 level again, and then the break of 430, whether it happens in August or it happens in September, I guess it will depend on tomorrow and NVIDIA news, and then symposium, the Jackson Hole symposium on Friday. Jerome Powell is going to speak. This will set whether we're going to retest 50-day moving average or retest 430. Those are the probably two outcomes, but I think it's just a matter of time to break 430. August is not enough time, so maybe September, right, towards the end of September. The next level would be 420. So I would watch the 420 level as your next level. That's the February high. In terms of sectors that lead in market, healthcare. Healthcare has been a clear outperformer. Medtronic announced earnings, positive reaction. LLY, right? Again, not all stocks. If you look at Johnson & Johnson, it is pulling back. CVS has pulled back. So again, it's a stock picking market. Model has seen LLY in a strong uptrend. I agree with the model, so I'm still in the trade. I trimmed the half of the position and trying to exit at 566. So I would be a buyer on the pullback of LLY. And finally, again, it's all about speech on Friday by Jerome Powell, right? Jackson Hole Summit. We do have PMI data tomorrow, services and manufacturing, that can also spark short-term volatility. That's all I have for today. Thank you very much. Keep an eye on NVIDIA and Jackson Hole Symposium. I think these two events will set the tone for the market, whether we retest 50-day moving average again or retest the recent lows at 430. Thank you very much and have a great day.